It's a given thing.
Fucking away! Fucking hell! Fucking thick bastard! Thickles!
What is it?
What's this fucking knobhead doing? Another knobhead!
Yeah, roundabout there.
So I thought about shipping here. And now she went
Fucking away!
looking down.
You fucking stupid bastard! What a knobhead, will that call for? What the fuck's he doing?
Doing a turning road, I've never seen anyone do
What a fucking bell end.
One at Aston. Understand the traffic into Sheffield City Centre from the end of the Parkway. I'm Simon James, that's the latest.
What the fuck?
Download Rayo to
You
your phone
stupid
now.
bastard.
Home of Simon Mayo's Confessions and loads more.
Fuck, Mal! You old bastard. What the fuck? Stupid bastard! What the fuck's that? You're fucking useless, you fucking tosser! What the fuck are you doing? Knobhead!
Traffic remaining busy as you head southbound on the M1 this afternoon following an accident earlier. 39 at Wakefield through to 38.
I only walk around topless within the privacy of my own very public Instagram.
Oh no! Fucking where am I? You fucking knobhead! What a knobhead he is. It's a knobhead. I'm a knobhead. I'm a knobhead. Dickhead. Fuck are you waiting for? You cunt. Fucking big bastard! Fucking knobhead!
Boy, here's time. I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows.
You fucking knobhead! So much of our work bang that side of him then. Oh my god, go on! Fuck me!
Police were called to Stocksbridge, where one person had a knife. Our reporter Katie White can tell us more.
Armed officers arrested a man on Saturday night before he was taken to hospital.
What? Fucking idiot! You thick bastard!
of mind. Think about dumb face all the time.
The
Living
fuck's he
in black
doing?
hours on
Oh my god! What the fuck was that? You fucking knobhead! What the fuck? You fucking knobhead! What's he fucking doing? Fucking pair of cunts. What is he doing? I can't believe what I've just seen. Fucking knobhead! Me! What the fuck's that?
And if you hear the song, then go on,
Fucking
bend your
sausage!
back. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the
You
max.
wankers!
DJ, please turn off.
Fucking wanker.
August 10th.
Come on!
Giftgaff.com for more info.
Fucking thick bastard!
Train delayed, train line helps you get repaid.
Go on, you thick cunts!
Yorkshire, we've had a lot less rainfall
You
than usual,
fucking
and our
knobhead!
reservoirs are critically low, so it's time.
Go outside of you then, dickhead.